In this video, I will show you how to split payments on Uber Eats. So for example, let's head over and then order from McDonald's. So for example, we have some friends that will actually order with us. So what we can do is we can click on this group order option onto the restaurant. Now in here, you can set a deadline or anything. Just click on this invite guests. So we can invite people on this right here. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you will actually be able to edit this right here. You can click on the three dots and then you can delete this group order, add people, add items. So let's add in here some items and then let's add it to a cart. And then from in there, once it's been added to your cart, you can click on this right here and then you can view your order. So for example, you're already done checking out. Just click on this go to checkout and continue. And for this one, you can just find in here this place order and then you can Venmo it or you can choose other payment methods wherein they can ship in. So that's how you split payments on Uber Eats. Hope you helped.